Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and Google Chrome is now updated for security. So this is the second update this week. On Monday, there was a update, which was mostly a update for bug fixes and adding features, which was announced a few months ago that there would be more often some updates for some of the bug fixing and features rather than waiting for new versions. They'll, every 2-3 weeks we'll get something. So that was what happened on Monday. And now we have a update for security today, June 11th. And if you go to the upper right corner, 3 vertical dots, go down to Help, About Google Chrome, you will be pushed to version 149.0.7827.114 or 115, depending on the operating system you're using. Of course, as now is the case, the information about the security updates and what they fix are not yet available. So they say that it will be available shortly. It will be interesting to see how many updates are on the Chrome browser this week. There's been so many updates lately, and it's just been crazy to see how many updates there are every time. So I would expect that there could be a lot of updates again this week for the browser. Of course, that also means that if you're using a Chromium browser, Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, and so on, you will also have updates for security on your system. So that will arrive either today or later. So time to update Chrome to stay safe. It's your best way to stay safe is to update and make sure that you are up to date with security fixes. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.